I never get over the feeling of making something come to life from a sketch to a furniture piece. My name is Phoebe Hutcheson and I'm a furniture maker in Scotland. Grain and Groove is a trio woodworking team. We work alongside my sister Phoebe and we take her illustrations and we turn them into wooden furniture. I was quite dyslexic growing up in school. My teachers, they'd try and get me doing extra woodwork lessons or metalwork lessons, and I could come back and I felt like I could learn more if I had that creative outlet. I love working with wood, of seeing the sort of the natural grain and taking the board that we take from the timber yard to the planer and seeing the wood come to life in what's under all of the scratched surface of the timber. It's lovely rustling through all of these different boards of wood and finding that one maybe at the back of the shelf that no one's seen before. And every timber is completely different, and we look at it and we think, right, what would this piece be best fitted? I really enjoyed driving the Mazda CX-5. I love the sky roof in it. It makes it so bright, and especially living in Scotland and all year long, winter can feel quite dark, but having a space where it can feel quite bright, I think is quite lovely. I also love it's very spacious. You can fit a lot of our furniture pieces in the back. Being able to drive around all the Scottish beaches and the natural countryside, I feel like it's a very beautiful place to be inspired. Being able to make something that can be an heirloom piece and be passed down through generations is very special. That's a big thing that we love at Grain and Groove, is making something that can last and be treasured.